Market entry strategy. Market entry strategy is a planned distribution and delivery method of goods or services to a new target market. In the import and export of services, it refers to the creation, establishment, and management of contracts in a foreign country. Factors affecting viability of entry. Many companies can successfully operate in a niche market without ever expanding into new markets. On the other hand, some businesses can only achieve increased sales, brand awareness and business stability if they enter a new market. Developing a market entry strategy involves thorough analysis of potential competitors and possible customers. Relevant factors that must be considered when deciding the viability of entry into a particular market include trade barriers, localized knowledge, price localization, competition, and export subsidies. Timing of market entry. Lymbersky has said that what countries to enter and when mainly depends on the financial resources of a company, the product life cycle and the product itself. The different strategies available are. Strategies. Some of the most common market entry strategies are, directly by setup of an entity in the market, directly exporting products, indirectly exporting using a reseller, distributor, or sales outsourcing, and producing products in the target market. Others include. See also permanent establishment risk. Market entry and trade risks. Some of the risks incurred when entering a new market and start domestic or international trade include. While some companies prefer to develop their market entry plans, others outsource to specialized companies. The knowledge of the local or target market by those specialized companies can mitigate trade risk. Other market entry strategies include. Sources.